There's the arch.
Keep on watching this video, and I will tell you about the secret $20 Cabo boat excursion that'll deliver the most mind-blowing views of Land's End than you could ever imagine on your Mexican Riviera adventure cruise vacations. If you see rocks behind me, that is because we're at Land's End. Hey, it's Hollywood Greg, and gee, look who I bumped into here in Cabo San Lucas, the lovely Valley Girl Darlene. How have you been liking it here so far?
It's beautiful.
Oh my God, look at those rocks. How nice to have our beautiful Carnival panorama parked right by Land's End. Yesterday we took a wonderful little glass bottom boat ride. Shout out to the end of this thing. We're going to show you some footage right now, which is going to be nice and long and exciting and fun. But what'd you think of the rocks?
I love them. They are really unique. You can see all of the smooth, different types of rocks out there. A couple of them have little crevices in there that you can see water coming through. That's just beautiful.
They all have a meaning to them, you know, and they're very sacred out here in this area. So it was very nice to be able to share this experience with people that get to, you know, work and play around these every single day. I mean, absolutely. What a blessing. Also, there is a nice tourist area, of course, here in the port of Cabo San Lucas, and we got to go to tons and tons of the bars. Our favorite was Wizzy's, of course.
Absolutely. The view was just, couldn't be beat.
I came here for my...
the AC.
Oh, so here's the thing. You can either get a view or you can get the AC. Wizzy's on the balcony. Look at my ladies here at Wizzy's. My ladies on the balcony at Wizzy's, Darlene. Cheers from Wizzy's, everybody. Look at me on Miami Vicing it here in Cabo. You had the greatest ceviche, I think, on planet Earth.
Yes, it was. It was very, very good.
What was in that stuff?
I'm not sure what the sauce they put in there. They made it like a little mountain of yumminess. Delicious. Some
fish, some maters, a few different kinds of fish in there.
Shrimp.
Oh,
it was good.
It was scrumptious. Once you take your tender in and get to the end of the dock, you're going to be faced with a lot of choices. There's going to be pharmacias, restaurants, clubs. There's going to be a lot of shops with a lot of hard selling from a lot of street vendors. Be nice. If you want something, be ready to barter. Our original pirate ship tour got canceled, which was fortunate because we instead got to enjoy Cabo's secret $20 gem. If on the glass bottom boat, you know, go for one of them that has multiple boats going out, not just Fred's boat. You know, some one-hit wonder guy that who knows if he's going to come pick you up. They're originally going to offer 40 or 50 bucks, but stick to your guns. Say you want it for 20 and off you'll go to the dock. Now just know there's also a $1 to $5 per person dock fee. Then off you will be on your adventure. Hey baby, how's it going?
It's going great. It's a beautiful day out here.
We're out here on the nice crisp water. What kind of clouds would you call those?
Those are fluffy, spacey clouds.
Fluffy, spacey clouds over the beautiful mountain over here. Be sure to take your tour early in the day before all the clouds blow away. You're going to get some viral-worthy views that are going to make all of your friends jealous when they look at your vlogs or your reels. Hey, baby. Don't want to enjoy our bargain? There are all glass boats that cost twice as much, but just know there are weight limits because of the way the boats are designed. They don't want them cracking open in the middle of the ocean. Lover's Beach was in our view, but just before we got there, all of the ship captains threw some food in the water and gave us an experience that definitely earned them all of their tips.
Look at how beautiful they are.
When we did the snorkeling thing, they threw Cheetos over our heads and the...
You know what they say, guys. Happy animal-loving wife, happy life. We even got to wave at the wonderful Carnival panorama. Do you think anybody's actually still on that boat? I hope not. They're missing these priceless views for the same price of one boat drink on the panorama. It's time to get some of those screensaver moments. People like to say that I've watched the YouTube video of this, so I've already been there. Not so is the case on this little Cabo boat trip out to the Arch. You really need to feel the ocean ebbing and flowing underneath your body, seeing all of the little glass bottom boats do their dance under these earthly wonders of the world, converging at once and sharing in this very communal experience. It was really great with all the craziness in the world to just stare nature right in the face. Hey, love.
Hey,
What do you see over there?
I see beautiful rock formation.
And what do you see? A nice big arch.
There's the arch.
The three-story formation of granite and multicolored rock, locally known as El Arco, is perched at the extreme southern tip of Mexico's Baja Peninsula, an area known as Land's End. It's so named that because there is no land directly south of this point until the South Pole, and is steeped in entire epics of history and lore. For centuries, sailors, explorers, and fishermen navigating these rough coastal waters have used El Arco as their North Star to orient themselves at sea. Looking for some extra added adventure? Check out Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach, two unique beaches separated by a short walk across the peninsula. Lovers Beach, on the Sea of Cortez side, is known for its calm, swimmable waters and is popular for swimming and snorkeling. Divorce Beach, as is aptly named, is characterized by its strong currents and powerful waves, making it very unsafe for swimming. But it still could be a very nice place for dramatic scenery, taking photos, and sunbathing from a safe distance. Be sure to get a guaranteed return time from your tour guide, otherwise you will be stranded. Alas, it was time to head back to shore and to the ship, but not without getting a few more wonderful photo ops for our collection. And of course, we got to see a big bunch of rocks that the local wildlife and birds had turned into their own public restroom. Hey, anything to avoid that $1 tourist bathroom fee back on shore. Hey, Darlene, so what'd you think of our tour?
It was amazing. I'd love to do it again.
Hell yeah, this is really nice, really quick. $20. $20 for all this scenery. Can't beat it. You gotta come do it here in Cabo. As we sped back to shore, James Bond style, we got to check out a catamaran full of beautiful party people. Got to race back the full glass bottom boat and kiss our landscape goodbye, as well as the clouds that soon blew away. Of course, the greatest sight of them all will always be my beautiful wife, who I got to enjoy a few glamour shots with in front of the Cabo sign. We hope you liked watching our little bargain basement Baja Bonanza, and we look forward to showing you some more budget excursions to take on your cruises. You know you don't want to watch 2 more Hollywood Greg videos. here on my channel. Check us out also on our socials at Hollywood Greg LA, and be sure to hit that subscribe and like button.